Let us talk about Sdlc lifecycle. Sdlc stands for Software Development Lifecycle. So, what exactly Sdlc is used? What is the purpose of using this Sdlc? I mean, this software development lifecycle. When we are going to build an application using Maven or a Spring Boot application or a Spring application, we are going to use uh, what are the technologies we want. Maybe for connecting the database, Hibernate or JDBC. Uh, or if our application has some front end, we are going to write HTML, CSS, or we're just going to connect with Swagger UI. So this process, whole process for developer. Okay, the developer, maybe there are 10 developers to our front end, to our database, and maybe 6 or only for Java. So combining all the developers and naming the project. After this project was done, let's start with we know what is created. There is of requirements, plans, design. What is the design we are going to do? What's the platform? This presentation. Okay. So, it's a plan. Our project creates some front end and also back end and also authentication. Coding in the front end HTML, CSS, and JavaScript or languages. And for Java, we are going to use Spring Boot, and for database, we are going to use MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, and messages. See that? So there are 5 developers. There are multiple number of developers. For example, there are 4 developers, 4 or 5 developers. Each developer has its own tasks to do, and you just want to add this all tasks to. I mean, you just want to group this all tasks and just push it into the GitHub. After pushing it to the GitHub, we will make it as continuous integration. What exactly continuous integration? If our project is having any bugs, we need to modify before its production, right? So for that, we are going to use Jenkins. Jenkins is nothing but testing. So we need to provide test on our application, how it works, how actually it will work. After testing, we're going to compile it and we're going to do write for the jar file or a var file or as ER file. Java jar means what is that jar? See, um, jar stands for Java extension. var stands for web maintenance application, right? So jar var ER. Java enterprise application. var stands for web application. Jar stands for Java application. The number of developers like front end, back end, and database developers are going to start the code and pushing it to the GitHub. And after the pushing it to the GitHub, we need to do continuous integration like testing. Or if the first test in the first if in the version one it is having so many issues, we're going to modify it to the version one. What do you modify? Of course, we don't need to change the version. We simply update it. But we're just telling this users or developers or the remaining users this version has some problem. So kindly go with version 2. If version 2 is having some problem with updating a query database, then each developer changes it, what is the problem exactly in the database. So we just update the query and change it to the version 5.0. And what exactly version 1? If the database, the developer wants to change this whole database, I mean, if it, before it was, he was using Postgres and you just want to go with MongoDB, so it's a big change, right? The database has been changed. For that version, this version's control is not for ignorance, it will be whoever the head of the project, okay? And after this testing, when we are okay with this test, the test was all good, then we're going to compile it, and after that we are going to build jar file or zip file or any other rar or jar or here. Okay. So after this, when the development started pushing into the GitHub, and the GitHub from the GitHub, we get the number of testings, and this cycle continues until we get the perfect version or we are satisfied with our project, and we're going to compile it and we're going to build it in whatever the forms we want. And after this, so deployment. After this, so sorry, now going to push to the GitHub, and GitHub is going to run unit tests, and if it is all okay, then okay. But if it's not okay, then I can write to where it is going to the developer, so it tells that there is having some bugs in this version, so kindly update it. After this, we are going to place our whole project. Okay? This is all continuous development. This is all continuous integration. Okay? After GitHub, it is continuous development. From after GitHub, it is continuous integration. What do you mean by integration? Integration is nothing but testing. This Jenkins and unit testing is all part, but some companies don't want to hire a DevOps engineer or an manual testing engineer, so sometimes we just want to know this small things like functional testing, because in J unit testing, we cannot able to find all the bugs, right? Because just testing that which was tested on the developer by the developer in, and also it was only for Java. But for we want to test front end also, but how front end looks, how front end interface interacts with the back end interface. So for that we are going to use manual testing or functional testing. So that is replacing the server, maybe the Tomcat, and that's enough. And the deployment has been done. And after deploying, it's the DevOps engineering part. Okay, it's not our part to maintain